Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're starting off my rolling Bath & Body Works project pan. Woo! So it's been a little bit of a while since I posted my finale for last year's Bath & Body Works project pan, and this is probably one of my favorite ones besides my year-long one. If you hear a noise going on, that's the heater because the US is going through like their polar vortex thing, and although I live in California, we've been getting like a downpour of rain, like a crazy amount, so you know, it's a little colder for us Californians over here. We're definitely not experiencing the negative degrees that the East Coast, or if you live in Canada or in the northern hemisphere currently. So in that way I am blessed and I'm thankful that it's just rain, but you know, it is a little colder for us mere Californians, so we have the heater going. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with 5 products for this Bath & Body Works project pan, and then depending on how I do by my next update, which my goal is to update every 2.5 weeks because I tend to post like 3 videos a week, so I think in 2.5 weeks will be good enough to see where I am, and then if I want to add something new and if I have finished anything. So yeah, let's jump right in. I'm actually including a candle as the first item. Ta-da! This is the pumpkin donut shop candle. This is last fall. I did order it online and I'm actually marking it. This is a harder candle for me to burn personally, just because the scent is so strong. Like, I have to be in a mood to like want to burn this. Right now I'm a little sick and tired of it because I've burned it a little too much. Like, I can only have it going for like 20 minutes and then I have to put it out. And because I have to severely downsize everything that I have, I really want to focus on burning this candle. Oh, it kind of matches a little bit the background to my nails. That's cute. So yeah, I have used about halfway through the candle. And I like cycle through my candles, so it's a little harder for me to get progress on them or to like want to burn this candle again, because it's a little intoxicating for me if I burn it any longer than 20 minutes. And yeah, so that is the first item, and it wouldn't be a rolling Bath & Body Works project pan in the winter time if I didn't have some winter candy apple products. So we're going to attempt to pan this lovely lady right here. This is the Winter Candy Apple Fine Fragrance Mist. I have erased all lines because I did try to pan this last year, and I am down to where this line is right here. It is shaking a little bit, so I do apologize for that, but it's about right there. I love using this for every day. For work, I'm currently mixing a perfume and a different body mist. So when I'm out of that one, I'm just going to be full force using this one, and we'll see what we get. I hope to finish this by the time spring comes around. I don't know if I will, just because it's a bigger bottle, and it does take me a little bit longer to finish Fine Fragrance Mist, just because I tend to just spray once a day. But we'll see how I do. I have way more of these, so I'm not afraid to finish it, just because I have a lot more. I also have the Winter Candy Apple Super Soft Body Butter. This is from last year's. I do have 2 of these, but I'm just going to be including 1. I've only used this about twice. It still smells amazing, but because Bath & Body Works items after the year mark, they tend to like start changing and start going bad, I'm focusing on this one. And this, it might take me a little bit to use up, just because I do have 2 other lotions that I'm focusing more just to break up the Winter Candy Apple a little bit, just because I have been including them a lot in my videos this winter time. So this might take me a little bit longer just because I'm focusing primarily on the other 2, and then whichever one finishes first, I will be using this one then. And it'll make a little more sense when I explain the other 2 items. So this is the True Blue Spa Shea Cashmere and Silk Body Lotion. I love this scent and the little tiny like hand creams that they have. I don't even know if they sell them anymore. A friend did pass this along to me, and it was brand new, never used, but this one definitely does not smell I mean, it's a little bit resemblance, but it's very different from the actual hand cream itself, and I love the scent of the hand cream. This one just doesn't smell the same, like I just said. And I'm about to, right here, the packaging is see-through, so you can see right there. It is very runny and not as thick, so I've been using this on my legs, and I plan on using them just on my legs just because it is winter, my legs aren't being shown, and after I get out of the shower I want something to sink in really quickly, which this does, and then just put some pants on or whatever, or leggings, and I don't feel like it's all like sticking and rubbing off on my clothing. So this is good for that. I don't think that they sell this anymore. I don't know, I haven't been into a Bath and Body Works and like checked out like specifically their True Blue Spa area. I've seen a CO Bigelow, but truthfully I haven't seen any True Blue Spa, so I'm not sure whether they're still carrying this or not. But I am enjoying it. I think it's my second to last True Blue Spa item, so we're going to do a proper rest in peace when the last one is gone, because I'm not sure. Do you know if they still sell True Blue Spa? Because I feel like the stores that have a White Barn and a Bath and Body Works are the ones that don't have a True Blue Spa, and I feel like the ones that are just plain Bath and Body Works does have a little bit of it. So I don't know. Last but not least, I have a Super Smooth Body Lotion 24-Hour Moisture, Shea Butter, and Coconut Oil. I know I'm reading everything. And this is just 1,000 Wishes. I've only used this twice as well because I just started using these puppies. So I'm really right where the bottle just kind of starts in this rectangular form. So it's right there. And this is what I'll be using on my upper body because it's a lot more moisturizing than the regular body lotion, which I have noticed. Because at first I was like, oh, it's just a gimmick, like just how everything, like they want to make it a little more lushy by making the packaging all like cohesive. Like they're not as fun anymore. I know that if they still have some carryover items, or if they still have like the fun packaging in stock, they'll have that along with this, but I think they're trying to transition to like this one look, not fun packaging, which kind of sucks because, sorry, the lighting just changed. Again, it's been raining, so clouds are coming in and out. This is the one day of like break from the rain, and then it's supposed to rain again for like 4 more days straight. So I am taking advantage, even though the clouds are not helping me right now, but I'm taking advantage that it's not raining and completely dark because I do use natural lighting. Yeah, I don't like this packaging. I appreciate that this is more moisturizing than the regular body lotion, but Bath and Body Works was like, the whole thing of it is like the fun, colorful packaging, and then this is just boring to me. Like this is not what Bath and Body Works stands for, and I'm a little sad that they're just trying to copy Lush because like the movement is more natural stuff and they're trying to play off as they're more natural, but if you read the ingredient list, it's still a lot of like parabens, scents. Like they're only trying to fool you with the packaging. The ingredients haven't changed so much, but I do appreciate that this formula is a lot more moisturizing. Ah, see, the sun is coming back. I do appreciate that this formula is a lot more moisturizing than their old body lotion, but it just sucks that they had to sacrifice the packaging. But those are the 5 items that I'm starting off this round of rolling Bath and Body Works Project Pan 2019. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I feel like I haven't recorded a video in a while, but I totally have because Charlotte has short hair. But I'm a little distracted by like the lighting changing. So yeah. Again, I'll be updating in 2.5 more weeks to see, or 2.5 weeks from now, to see how I'm doing on these products, see if I finished anything. Hopefully I have made some progress on that pumpkin donut shop candle, but alas, we shall see. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.